back to my channel. Today we are going to make our own sewing station. Many of you guys have requested me to start doing more sewing tutorials, so I said that I will. And in order for us to start doing that, we need a place for us to sew. So, therefore, we are going to create that space that is, effective and functional for us to start sewing more projects together because, we got that connection, But of course, before I can get on into any of my videos, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of the family. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, if you want to, help out the channel, go down in the description box to the GoFundMe link. It'll lead you to my campaign in which you can donate any amount to my YouTube account. All proceeds will go back into my channel and making, this creative content. I understand during this pandemic that everybody has it, so if you don't, then I love you just the same as somebody who does donate. But it just helps out the channel, so if you guys want to do that, down in the description box below, there is a GoFundMe link. Alright, let's stop waiting. Let's get on into the video.
First, I wanted to start by removing everything off of the top of the vanity and in the drawers. The first step is always to declutter because, for one, we do not want to see what's in the dark abyss of the corners of our vanity. But also, I want to make this space as effective and as just functional as possible, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. And the best way to do this is to let go. So I just put this stuff aside and went through it later on. But the first step is to remove, throw away, or whatever you want to do. However you're going to do it, just get rid of the stuff. These lemon scented Lysol wipes, and they don't have to be lemon scented, but something that can disinfect and remove all the dirt and oil, whatever else is left on the vanity. And an optional choice is to repaint your vanity. Now I thought mine looked fine, but this is your time to do it before you move on to the next step. Now the pain was figuring out where this makeup was gonna go, but I had to get rid of it because I'm not using the drawers for makeup anymore. So I had to remove all of those as well and get that ready for what I have in mind. It's decoration time. So I put the AJ down first because of course you have to have something that represents you, that is about you on there. Plus it's sparkly and cute. But then I also have to have the sewing machine because it wouldn't be a sewing station without the sewing machine. And then I have my sewing kit that I just assembled out of it because I just am now going to use the bucket for when I travel and go places and want to carry my sewing machine or whatever else with me. It makes for a very good on-the-go thing to have. 둘이라는 건 점점 얘기 나누던 우리 I also put my sketchbook and laptop down, as well as my YouTube DIY plaque and just a few extra items like sunglasses, just in case if I want to model my outfits or whatever creations that I make, because why not? And then I just start organizing from here, being indecisive like I typically am, trying to figure out where I want to put things, where I don't want to put things. Does this look right? Does this look right? But eventually I will come to a conclusion, I promise. The set of clothes that was on the custom fit mannequin I took off and just kind of threw this to the side for the moment, and then just continued rearranging. I wanted to display my sewing machine, so I took the cap off, but hold up, wait right there, because we are going to use this cap as storage a little bit later. But the indecisive rearranging continues. The final conclusion was to put the DIY mannequin on the left side, since it was not small enough but big enough to be on the floor anywhere else. It fit perfectly on the table, and then the sewing machine on the right to make for a little simplistic design. And then those clothes that I had put to the side, I'm going to put in the sewing machine cap with the foot pedal and my little kit on top of that. Lastly, this is just a little option for you guys to do, but I took these two cute little key racks. They're about $3 to $6 at Walmart, and I'm going to just practically drill those into my wall by kind of marking where I want them to be, because I have panel walling. It's a little bit harder than just drywall. And all you're gonna do is take your dad's power drill and look sexy with it, because, I mean, we can't, right? Ha, I'm just playing, not playing, but I am. Anyways, you're gonna want to screw the screw into the wall, but apply a little bit of pressure and carefully start drilling it, because I get a little bit, heavy-handed with things, and I be trying to do things fast, and I hurt myself. So y'all be careful out there when dealing with any kind of power tools in general. Just be careful, period, okay? Voila, you are on your way to creating a little fabric station, a place to put your fabric. Now, I hoard fabric like no other, so I put fabric up here so it kind of helps me organize that and keep track of what I have, and just, it's a nice added decoration to the sewing station. I just simply organized it to where the pattern, colored, and texture fabrics are on the top and the plain ones are on the bottom because I want the station to have a pop. But also I just did it to where my eyes are pleased, so you can kind of do a mix between the plain fabrics and the texture pattern and color fabrics. It's whatever it is to you, you know? Final results, so drum roll please.
Like this video, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bells so any upcoming videos that I have you will not ever miss, because it's very important to not miss any of my upcoming videos. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye babes. Mwah.